Hey guys, Brian with Eureka here, and today we are checking out the Spark Camp Grill. This thing is awesome, and it makes it really easy to bring a grill with you to camp. So the first thing you need to know about the Spark Camp Grill is that it runs on butane as opposed to propane like a lot of other camp grills. There's a built-in compartment that holds an 8-ounce fuel canister, so everything fits neatly in here and it becomes an all-in-one package that's ready to go as soon as you get to camp. You just snap in the fuel and you're ready to start grilling. No attachments required. And there's no reason to bring a bulky propane canister with you. It even has auto ignition for easy starts. You just drop this lever to lock in the fuel, then turn the knob past full power to ignite, and you're good to go. As you can see, it's incredibly compact and portable, but it still packs plenty of power. And it has a 120 square inch grilling surface, so you won't run out of room while you're cooking dinner. Now, the other thing you want to keep in mind is you don't want to use a metal utensil on the grate, so make sure you stick to plastic or silicone like these from Jetboil. Like all Eureka cooking gear, the Spark Camp Grill has an adjustable flame, which gives you the ability to bring some variety to your meals at camp. It's just as easy to get the perfect char on your burgers as it is to lightly toast your buns. It's basically like cooking on a smaller, portable version of your backyard grill. One of my favorite things about this grill is that the removable grate is made of non-stick ceramic. Now that obviously helps keep food from sticking to it, but it also makes it really easy to clean up afterwards. It lifts up just like this, and then all you've got to do is wipe it off with a brush or a sponge. No scrubbing required. There's also a built-in removable drip tray, which you can see right here. Now the cool thing is this is actually the one piece of the grill that's dishwasher safe. And that's great because drip trays are the messiest part of any grill. So throwing this one in the dishwasher when you get home keeps things easy. As you can see here, it also has built-in adjustable feet. So it's incredibly stable no matter where you set it. The Spark Camp Grill also comes with this great carry case, which makes it even easier to transport. So if you want to step up your camp grilling game, but you don't want to lug a huge heavy grill into the woods, this thing is perfect. It's an all-in-one grill that's small, easy to cook on, but still has plenty of cooking surface. Just because you're packing light doesn't mean you have to sacrifice your grill top.
Connection, wonder, adventure. That's why we're passionate about living life outside. Fearless about getting dirty to connect to the things we love, but seeking ways to get clean at the end of every adventure. We're committed to making the most of every drop of water. That's why here at Geyser Systems, we engineer and innovate gear that keeps you hot, clean, and off the grid.
This is our Gigapower stove. Introduced in 1999, it was Snow Peak's first entry into the backpacking market. It's our most iconic and best-selling backcountry stove.